Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to remotely disable Apple Pay when iPhone is lost or stolen. First thing first, go to appleid.apple.com and log in with your Apple ID and password linked to the missing phone. On the left menu, click Devices, then select your lost iPhone from the device list. Now scroll down to the Wallet and Apple Pay section. Click Remove Items so you can remove wallet items like cards, bank accounts, etc. Now to confirm your removal, just click Remove Items again to confirm. And done. All payment methods like credit cards, debit cards, Apple Cash, etc. will be removed from that iPhone. If you recover the lost or stolen iPhone, you'll need to re-add your cards manually. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.